Hello, welcome to How to Grow Evening Primrose from Seed. The first step is to buy some seeds. They're available at most garden stores. The reverse of the packet shows the growing times and conditions for your region. The second step is to plant the seeds in a propagator tray. A propagator tray is a small shallow tray with a plastic lid that's ideal for germinating seeds. First, fill the tray with compost. Press the compost down firmly and then give it a watering. We're doing this now so as not to wash the seeds away later. Take the seeds from the packet and then sprinkle them evenly on the surface of the compost. Cover the seeds with compost and then press down firmly to remove any air pockets. Add a label, then place the propagator lid on top and keep the seeds in a warm place, ideally at 20 degrees C. Step 3. Within 2 to 4 weeks, the seeds will begin to germinate. At this stage, remove the propagator lid and make sure they're well watered, and still keep them warm. Step 4. When the seedlings have at least 2 sets of leaves, transplant them into 3-inch pots. First, water the seedlings. This helps minimise any root damage. Fill the pot with compost, then water it, and then make a hole in the compost with either your thumb or a stick. Carefully remove the seedlings. Hold on to the leaf and not the stem, as if you damage the stem you've lost the plant. Place the seedling in the pot and gently press down the roots. Finally, water the seedling to help the roots settle, and keep the plants warm and watered. Step 5. When the risk of any frosts has passed, it's time to plant the plants outside. First, dig your soil. Remove any weeds and stones. Then rake your soil into a fine tilth. Water the plants before transplanting them. Dig a small hole using a gardening trowel, then carefully take the plant from its pot, put it in the hole, and then gently press down the roots. Finally, give the plant a good watering. Step 6. After several weeks, flowers will begin to appear. Keep weed free and keep watered. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you've enjoyed it and found it informative. Please like it if you have, and please subscribe to my channel on YouTube. Thank you and goodbye.